Welcome to Handy Banjo, where in-person services meet excellence. In this video, we'll explore Handy Specials, transforming maintenance work into a seamless experience. Imagine a world where you can find any contract work or service that is anything, just a click away, handled by trusted professionals. We'd like to show you how we make this vision a reality. Managing endless repairs and maintenance tasks on your own can be overwhelming, especially when everything seems to break down at once. Handy Specials is here to help with all your maintenance needs. When Handy Banjo arrives with a friendly smile, we're ready to tackle those daunting tasks, making your life easier. With Handy Specials, you can relax, knowing you're well taken care of, giving you more time to enjoy what you love. With Handy Specials, requesting a service is as easy as clicking a button. Whether it's plumbing, electrical work, handy services, or even your home diagnosis, we've got you covered. If you want third-party quality assurance from us, we can do that too. Check out all of the Handy Specials here. Not only that, we believe in transparency. Therefore, we require a small deposit before commencing work to ensure there are no hidden costs. Know precisely what you're paying for and enjoy the convenience of having a professional arrive at your doorstep, fully equipped and ready to work. Our concierge service is designed for those who value their time. Forget browsing through endless options, let us handle it for you. Simply select concierge service and we'll assign a pro to complete your task seamlessly. That's it. Join thousands of happy customers who trust Handy Specials for their home needs. From a fixed sink to a newly painted room, our satisfied clients are a testament to the quality and reliability of our services. Thank you for your time. Stay happy, stay profited. Don't forget to subscribe and share. We'll showcase more content soon.